Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to reset internet wireless network updater on Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to reset your network, so very easy. Firstly click on start. Now click on settings. After click on network and internet. Now scroll down. Click on network reset. After click on reset now. After click on yes. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to reset internet wireless network updater on Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.